Good morning everybody, and Happy New Year. It's my first venture out, 2012. Bit of a bonus for me today, coming to work and the golf course is closed. See a lot of water on it over there, it's very wet underfoot. So when all the fields at my sister's farm there just absolutely underwater, so I thought I'd come and give this track another go here. I've not really been through this deeper grass here. You can see it running through there. The old track that I found in an old map, you can see it running through there. Just a bit of a dip and it carries on just over through there and towards the golf course. So we'll give it a go anyway, and whatever we find we'll get back to you. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, first dig, the bullet. Second hole, another bullet. Okay, let's crack on. Next one, picture hook. And what is that doing on a golf course? Oh my days. Okay, let's move on. Okay, next one, and I think we've got a coin. It's round. That is ship 8 mate. That's what year. Can't quite make it out. Anyway, there's a coin. Let's move on. Next one, old shotty. Next one, another bullet. Next one, and I think it's a coin. It's just started raining. That, I can't really get the mud off it, but that is going to be a George something or other halfpenny. But nevertheless, it's a coin. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, next find, after about a 10-minute dig, it was right underneath this branch here, so that was fun. I can't really make it out, but pretty sure it's a threatening bit after all that. Anyway, it's another coin. Now we're going to find some silver. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, next one. From about 6 inches. It's actually come out on the spade like that. It looks modern to me. Yeah, it's another coin. It's not silver. It's a modern 2p. Lovely. Okay, let's carry on. My next find. Not sure. Some kind of stud or something of some kind. Really not sure on that. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, next one, we've got a decent signal. And here. Okay. This is going to be a Queen Victoria halfpenny, pretty sure. Recognise those. So we get a date. $1886. Okay, that's nice. Another coin. Let's move on. Next find, just a modern 20p. Big grotty as well. Okay, let's carry on. Well, I've got another coin sitting in there. It doesn't look old. About 4 inches down. £1. Okay, let's carry on. Right, next one. Not sure what this is. Strange item. I think it's made out of lead. Really weird. About 6 inches down. Some kind of weight of some kind, I'm not sure. Okay, let's move on. Well, here's my next one. Not got a clue. No. Answers on a postcard, please. Okay, let's move on. Right, just took this. Oh. That looks like a shilling, I think. Yeah. Elizabeth. There we are, another coin now. Okay. 1958. Right, let's move on. Right, got a nice little find here. Not something I'd expect to find here, but it looks like a lead bag seal. About 7 inches down, but I can't really wipe the mud off. It's too sticky, so we'll give it a clean up anyway and see if we can get something off it. Okay, that's good. Let's move on. Right, this is not much fun now. The water table's so high. I've got a great signal in here, but if you don't get it out in the plug, the hole fills with water. And you've got no chance. I'll get back to you on this one. Well, that was fun. Took me about 5 minutes, but after digging out all that mud, finally got to this, which seems to be iron. It looks like a buckle. So we'll take that and clean it up anyway. But it's getting a bit, it doesn't show on the camera, but it's getting dark now, so might do another half an hour. Okay, I'll get back to you.